Hello, my name is Abbas Ali. I'm spoken English and IELTS trainer at IELTS Success. My topic for today is 25 common words which are very important for competitive exams as well as for IELTS and TOEFL. These words are alleviate. Alleviate. Alleviate means to make something bad, such as pain or problem, less severe. So anything that is painful, that is bad, to make it less painful, that is called alleviate. The drug did nothing to alleviate her pain or suffering. Okay, the politicians want people to alleviate them from their miseries. The next word is swell. Swell means slow up and down movement of the sea with large but smooth waves. It's a noun. To slow up and down movement of the sea with large but smooth waves. Is the tide coming in or going out? High or low tide? Okay, just to see like that. Next word is hull. Hull. Hull means you remove the covering or the stem and leaves from some fruit, vegetables and seeds. For example, we sat in the garden hulling strawberries. We sat in the garden hulling strawberries. So hull means to remove their outer covering. Dive. Dive. Dive means to jump into the water. Dive means jump into the water, especially with your head going in first or to move down under the water. That's simple. When you dive in the water, of course your head goes first. So this is how you say dive. For example, she dived into the still water of the lake. Next one is tide. Tide, the rise and fall of the sea that happens twice every day. Okay, tide means that waves that rise and fall of the sea, that is called tide. Is the tide coming in or going out? High or low side? Tan. Means make someone's body or skin brown from being in the sun. Her skin tans very quickly in the summer. Comely means attractive in appearance. A woman who is very attractive just by looking. Comely actress Angelina Johnson. Comely. Next word is extol. Extol means to praise something or someone very much. She is forever extolling the virtues of her children. Okay, the mother is always extolling the virtues of her children. Extol means to praise someone. Endeavor means to try to do something. Engineers are endeavoring to locate the source of the problem. Engineers are endeavoring to try to locate the source of the problem. They are making an effort. Okay, that's called endeavor. Conceive means to imagine something. For example, I can't conceive how anyone could behave so cruelly. Conceive, you just so shocked that you can't even imagine. So that's conceive. Jagged means rough and with sharp points. This image can help you to understand. That is called jagged. A jagged cut or a jagged tear. Jagged rocks, a jagged line or a jagged edge. Next one is locale. Okay, an area or place, especially one where something special happens. Special area where something happens. Okay, the book's Locale is a coastal town in the summer of 1958. The book's Locale is a coastal town in the summer of 1958. Mold means to shape something into a particular form. She molded the clay into little animals. She molded the clay into little animals. So mold means to shape up something. Absurd. Absurd means stupid and unreasonable, or silly in a humorous way. Absurd. Silly and humorous. What an absurd thing to say. What an absurd thing to say. Feminine. Having characteristics that are typical of a woman, having women traits. Okay. Her clothes are always very feminine. Her clothes are always very feminine. Excess. Excess means an amount that is more than acceptable, expected, or reasonable, means too much. They both eat to excess. Next one, craze. Craze means an activity, object, idea that is extremely popular, usually for a short time. Craze means you have some popular thing going. Okay, cycling shorts were the latest craze. Cycling shorts were the latest craze. Attire. Attire is a particular uniform or clothes of some kind of a formal type. I hardly think jeans are appropriate attire for a wedding. Hallmark. Hallmark means typical characteristics or feature of a person or thing. Simplicity is a hallmark of this design. Simplicity is the hallmark of this design. Psychic. Psychic. Having to do with the mind and the emotions rather than with the body. Psychic means that things are characteristics which are related to the mind. Regular exercise has psychic as well as physical benefits. Ornate. Ornate means having a lot of complicated decoration. When you have a lot of decoration and that two complicated ones, you call it ornate. Next one, strife. Strife means violent or angry disagreement. Okay, the civil strife have left the country's economy in ruins. The civil strife have left the country's economy in ruins. Next one is hone. Hone, to make something perfect or completely suitable for his purpose. His physique was honed to perfection. His physique was honed to perfection. Mash. Mash means to crush food, usually after cooking, so that it forms a soft mass. Mash the potatoes and then mix in the butter and herbs. Means to crush. Mash means to crush them into some kind of powder. Freight. Freight. Freight means transported as part of a large group of things by ship, aircraft, train, or truck. So freight means a part of a large group of transported things. It would be much cheaper to send the goods freight. Send the goods freight. That's it for today. I hope these 25 words will help you a lot to improve your vocabulary as well as your English. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.